Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Now in this video I'm gonna show you how to become a professional copywriter. So how do we do that? We do that by daily practices. So how do we do daily practices? First of all, we need research. Remember, as I always say, the research does the writing for you. So first of all, you'll need research because I've seen many students writing blind copy, but let's get back a bit. What is blind copy? Blind copy is when you write copy, as an example, an email, without having research, only from your creativity, from your mind. So the research is very powerful because it's telling you exactly what you write about, what are the pains and desires of the target audience. So, as I said, first of all is the research. We have to fill in the research template. The second step is creating an avatar. Very, very important because you want to make your writing feel personal to someone. As an example, your avatar. The second step is writing fascinations. Now, another very important step because I mean, all the steps are important. So, research, avatar, and fascinations. If you do that, not only you will write better, but if you're putting your copy for a review, you'll give that person reviewing your copy a better understanding of what you're actually trying to write. Because, uh, as an example, I don't have experience in a specific niche that you write the copy in, and I don't see any research you've made. It will be very hard for me to actually give you a review because I don't know the niche. I don't know what's going on in that niche. So, if you want to become better at copywriting and improve your skills and reach a professional level, you have to do daily practices. Now, that means writing short form copy. That's okay. You can write, as an example, 3 emails a day just as practice. But what you'll probably be struggling with is choosing a product. Now, in this case, what you can do is this. You can choose a random prospect from your list and use that prospect's product as practice. You can write ads, you can write emails, and after that, put it for a review, blah, blah, blah. And when you think everything is okay, you can use those pieces of copy to approach that prospect as using free value. So be smart about this, leverage daily practices, and please do the research.